My beloved star children, welcome into this sacred space. Happy New Year! Dear Sagittarius, this month of January will be a time of reflection and strategic planning. The planetary configurations invite you to consolidate your long-term goals while exploring new avenues for personal growth. So focus your fiery energy on what truly matters. But watch out for impulsive decisions, especially in the first half of the month. This dominant Capricorn energy asks you to be patient and methodical. All times are given in UTC +1. This first week opens with a clear impulse, guiding you towards a deeper understanding of your relationships. The moon activates your 7th house, the one of relationships and partnerships, inviting you to nurture your bonds and communicate openly with those you care about. This energy also highlights your 8th house, the one of transformation and shared resources, urging you to examine your financial situation and consider joint ventures. Thursday the 1st and Friday the 2nd will be particularly favorable for contract signings or professional endeavors, thanks to the harmonious alignment of the Sun and Saturn. Mercury enters Capricorn, promoting clear and structured thinking, ideal for planning and setting realistic objectives. However, Jupiter squares Chiron, which may stir up old wounds and insecurities. Try to be gentle with yourself and seek support if needed. This week also sees Mars in opposition to Jupiter, which could lead to overconfidence and impulsivity. When the moon is void of course on Friday 2, from 12:38 p.m. to 2:09 p.m., then on Sunday 4, from 8:13 a.m. to 2:43 p.m., it may be best to postpone important decisions and focus on self-care. Advice: prioritize open communication to strengthen your relationships. During the second week, you will feel a surge of energy directed towards your personal identity. The emphasis on your 1st house, which represents the self and personal identity, invites you to focus on your needs and express your individuality authentically. The emphasis shifts to your 10th house, the one of career and public recognition, encouraging you to pursue your professional goals with determination. Mars forms a sextile to Saturn, providing you with the discipline and stamina to achieve your ambitions. However, Mars continues to oppose Jupiter, so be mindful of overspending or making extravagant promises. The Jupiter-Saturn trine continues to offer a grounding influence, helping you balance optimism with practicality. The moon is out of bounds from the 13th to the 14th, which may bring a sense of detachment or unconventional behavior. Embrace your uniqueness, but remain mindful of the impact of your actions on others. When the moon is void of course from Thursday 8 at 6:35 p.m. to Friday 9 at 1:05 a.m., then from Tuesday 13th at 5:33 p.m. to Wednesday 14th at 12:33 a.m., take the opportunity to relax and recharge your batteries. Week's tip: take time for self-reflection and set intentions for the year ahead. In this third week, you might feel a strong urge to express your thoughts and ideas as Venus enters Aquarius, bringing a breath of fresh air to your communication style. The Sun enters Aquarius on the 20th, followed by Mercury on the 21st, energizing your 3rd house, the one of communication and immediate environment. This energy energizes your creativity, making it an ideal time for writing, teaching, or networking. On Thursday the 15th, both Saturn sextile and Venus trine bring luck and opportunities in contract signings or professional endeavors. However, Mars forms a conjunction with Pluto, which could intensify your passions and desires. Channel this energy constructively. The moon is out of bounds from the 15th to the 18th and may leave you feeling a bit disconnected, but it also offers a chance to see things from a different perspective. When the moon is void of course on Friday 16, from 5:47 a.m. to 12:47 p.m., then on Sunday 18th from 9:17 p.m. to 11:17 p.m., it's better to engage in light activities and postpone important discussions. Recommendation: embrace new ideas and express yourself with confidence. In this 4th week, your attention turns towards your home and family life. Mars enters Aquarius, which could stir up some excitement and innovation in your domestic sphere. The moon highlights your 4th house, the one of home and family, encouraging you to create a harmonious and supportive environment. This energy energizes your creativity, as the moon also moves through your 5th house, the one of creativity and pleasure. Thursday the 22nd and Friday the 23rd will be particularly favorable for contract signings or professional endeavors, thanks to the harmonious alignment of Saturn and Mercury with the Sun. However, the ongoing Jupiter-Chiron square may continue to trigger insecurities. Remember to be kind to yourself and others. When the moon is void of course on Friday 23rd from 12:55 p.m. to 2:25 p.m., then on Sunday 25th from 5:35 p.m. to 7:05 p.m., then on Tuesday 27 from 8:24 p.m. to 9:55 p.m., these windows invite you to pause, review, and wrap things up rather than forcing brand new beginnings. Advice? Nurture your relationships with loved ones and create a cozy sanctuary at home. This final stretch of January focuses on your partnerships and shared resources. Mercury conjuncts Venus, which forms a harmonious aspect, creating a favorable atmosphere for communication and collaboration. The moon highlights your 7th house, the one of relationships and partnerships, and your 8th house, the one of transformation and shared resources, urging you to deepen your connections and explore joint ventures. Thursday the 29th and Friday the 30th will be particularly favorable for contract signings or professional endeavors, thanks to the harmonious alignment of Mercury and Saturn. Mars forms a trine to Uranus, which could spark unexpected opportunities and breakthroughs. When the moon is void of course on Thursday 29th from 8:01 p.m. to 11:31 p.m., the mood is better for breathing and releasing than for launching something decisive. To make the most of this week, focus on strengthening your bonds and exploring new possibilities for collaboration. The period from 1st to 2nd with the Sun conjunction Saturn favors contract signing and professional endeavors. Around the week from 15th to 21st with Venus in Aquarius favors luck and opportunities. Around days 2, 4, 8, 13, 16, 18, 23, 25, 27, and 29, with moon void of course, be careful with launching new projects. January 2026 invites you, dear Sagittarius, to balance your adventurous spirit with grounded planning. Embrace the opportunities for growth and connection that arise, while remaining mindful of your limits. Remember to stay true to yourself and follow your inner compass. Share in comments how these energies resonate for you. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell not to miss your daily horoscope. May the stars guide your steps.